Illuminated Spirit of Ecstasy. On the Kullinan. Which is really a nice touch.
Ja, vi får hoppa det på bilden.
Vi har ju egentlig ikke så mye med det å gjøre.
Nei, det er jo helt...
So now it's illuminated again. That's very nice. For some reason I think it feels very nice here in the winter. I just want to jump in and put on the seat heating.
Ja, det er jo litt gøy. Men selvfølgelig, når momentet kommer, så kommer.
Let's have a look in the back seat and bar apparently, which is here.
Ja, men altså det må jeg gjøre noe for. Jeg skal peke på den knappen da.
Quite nice. Har du sett här? Ja, det var ju det.
Det ska ju vara en fin whisky.
Ja. And the door to close is somewhere. Oh yeah, of course it's here. Or okay. I didn't find it. See if the seat heating works. Plastic mats. Here is the closing button. It's too cold to try out too many things. Anyway, better glance tomorrow if it's too dark now. I like this illumination. It's really strong.
No, I'm just curious because the BMW X7, but the X7 is 5.1.
Ja, det tror jag.